Hi guys, we're here today in an actually very sunny Norton, Fitzwarren. This here is number 1 Millhouse Road. It's an absolutely beautiful ex-show home, so with all the upgrades, fitted units in the kitchen, fitted appliances, granite work surfaces, internal decor has been upgraded. You won't be disappointed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Hi guys, this has been 1 Millhouse Road. If you've loved this property as much as we do, give us a call on 01823 271 681 to arrange your viewing now.